really cool video today. I feel like there's so many DIYs out there and not all of them actually work. And
this one does.
We've made like a million of them. So we found a DIY setting spray that actually works. And we have made this before, we've used it before, and we're gonna make a fresh batch for you guys so you guys can see how easy it is to make your own DIY setting spray. Okay, so a few ingredients you're gonna need to make your own DIY setting spray. Vegetable glycerin, and we got this from Whole Foods. You can buy it on Amazon. I know it sounds like, what is this stuff? But you can actually find it at a lot of different places. Witch hazel. The one we're gonna be using is a cucumber witch hazel. You can use lavender, you can use regular,
whatever
you can use
scent,
unscented, and a little bit of aloe vera gel. And this is gonna be really, really important for the actual process of setting. So,
and if you want to add on top of this, you could put essential oils, right? If you want it to be like a rose smell, or if you want it to be a lavender smelling makeup setting spray, you could put a few drops of essential oils.
We're gonna keep it to the bare minimum and show you guys exactly how to do it. So the ingredients are simple. We're going 3, 2, 1. So 3 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin, 2 teaspoons of witch hazel, and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. 1, 2, 3.
I feel like it's the glycerin that makes it so good.
Yeah.
It actually goes from a toner to a setting spray.
Yes.
It's the glycerin that does that, you guys.
And we're doing 1, 2 teaspoons of witch hazel and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And you know, we like to make things in small batches, but if you feel like you want to make more, just size up double. Just find an old little container, rinse it out, or you know, if you have a new container of like a little setting spray. We like to keep it small because it's easier to keep in your makeup bag.
Yeah.
And the consistency should be liquidy, but a little bit kind of like chunky liquid.
Yeah, because you can mix it in the bottle.
Yeah. Great. So we're gonna pour this into our bottle. Woohoo! And shake it up.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake it real good. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is a good arm exercise. I feel the armpit like moving. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Should I spray on you? Okay. How was it?
It's really refreshing. You know, the cucumber smell makes it super refreshing.
Oh yeah. All right, you guys, so super simple, 3 ingredients. We're gonna keep it on all day and do a follow-up video just to show you guys how well your makeup lasts and
how well it works.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I've had my makeup on all day, and this makeup setting spray has definitely helped my face stay on, and I feel like my makeup still looks really good. And even after playing with Sebastian, who now clearly wants his own YouTube channel, right? So definitely recommend this DIY. I feel like it actually works.